Speak, B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash 5 app logos dissolving into one Claude logo. Before you waste $134 a month on 5 separate AI tools, watch this. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash Claude interface, dark terminal, fast typing, Claude by Anthropic. $20 a month. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash it scores 95% on real GitHub bug fixing. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash GPT 5.4 scores 80%. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash after testing this for 30 days, my take is it straight up replaced my entire AI stack. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash terminal running Claude code, file scrolling, Claude code runs inside your terminal. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash not autocomplete an actual agent. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash reads your entire codebase. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash fixes GitHub issues end to end. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash no copy paste, ever. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash how many AI subscriptions are you paying for right now? Comment below. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash pages of a contract flying into Claude's input field, 1 million token context window. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash a 600 page contract fed in one shot. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash legal ops teams pay $800 a month for dedicated SaaS to do this. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash Claude Pro, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $20. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash research mode crawls sources, pulls citations, puts it all together. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash on its own. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash calculator stacking monthly costs, numbers turning red, the math, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash Copilot Business $19, Notion AI $16, Code Review Bot $30, Writing Assistant $20, Research Agent $49. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash total, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $134 a month. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash Claude Max 5x, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $100. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash 1 login. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash drop a fire if you've already made this switch. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash pricing tier table animating in, free, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash chat only, Claude code not included. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash pro, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $20 a month, Claude code, research mode, 1M context. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash max 5x, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $100. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash max 20x, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $200. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash enterprise, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash $20 per seat plus API, 500k context, audit logs. B-roll, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash score counter ticking up, pros and cons appearing, real weakness, break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash rate limits are brutal. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash 1 heavy Claude code session drains your pro quota. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash 0 native image generation. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash skip it if you need visuals or live in Google Workspace. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash but for developers and legal ops teams? 4.3 out of 5. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash which subscription dies first on your stack? Tell me below. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash link in the description. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.